Okay, a while back, someone asked me where do men shop here, and it's a pretty good price. I get a lot of my clothes right here at Stick. Stick is real nice. I got this shirt that I'm wearing. It's a hey, ¿cómo estás? Yo compro todo mi ropa aquí, Stick. Es muy popular aquí en Colombia. Muy chévere, muy económico, mucho hermosos. Un guapo aquí por las chicas. Colombianos, they gustan un estilo con largo camisa también. You don't have long sleeve? Largo? Ahora no. Yeah. Muchos colombianos aquí tienes camisas largos aquí también, sí, huh? And then they roll it up. The estilo. You know? The style. Oh wait, there's one right there, look. It's uno. Yeah, like this. Oh, this is nice. I like this one right here. I might actually buy that. Look, and it's a good price. How much is that? $30 or something. 3, 6, 9, 12. That ain't bad. I might get that. I might have to get that. And then they got a white one here too. Look at that. Yeah, I'm about to get that por las chicas. Moses. Huh? Gracias. ¿Dónde es la música? You gotta have some kind of energy in here. Now here, we're still talking about where you buy clothes here in Colombia. So this is real popular. Psycho Bunny. This is when you got money. This is when you want to show off. Because these shirts cost $70 or $80, even $100. So this is where the narcos come. A lot of people with a lot more money than I have. They like to show they got money. Yeah, because it's not necessary, but if you got extra money, this is where you would buy it. Psycho Bunny. How you doing? This is the symbol. See that? This shirt right here. Let's ask him how much I don't even know. ¿Cuánto es la camisa de blanco? Yeah, or es gratis hoy porque es, americano. 300, God, that's like $80, $100. God, I told you it's expensive here. This is for the I ain't gonna say that in here. This is for the narcos. So that T-shirt's $100. These shirts right here about $120. That's for the narcos, bro. That's when they got a lot more money than they don't give a shit. I spent a narco one time, spent $1,000 on a lady. He didn't give a shit. They have them in stacks. I know that it's not a lot for Americans, actually. Let me show this. Oh, damn. How you doing? The lady gave me the stank eye. This is so nice. What is this? So I also like one more place for the white guys. Any white guys in my channel? A lot of them come here to American Nino, American Nino, whatever. I don't know. American Nino. All right, I gotta be careful with security. They don't like me filming in here. I do not know why. So this is a real popular show. Dang, how you doing, girl? Look at that. So this is almost like Blue Navy or something, Hey, I know I love white people. White people are cool. You always got to have some white friends, White friends, black friends, Asian, gays, whatever. It's fun to mix it up, I'm telling you. If you don't have a mix-up of friends, you're missing out on so much diversity and learning from people's different cultures. You get to understand a little bit better about their, until you get friends and spend time with them. Especially my white friends. You gotta kind of like make time to try to make friends with people outside your culture, I know you're comfortable. And black people too. Black people, you need to try to get you some white friends. Yeah, guess what? They're different, Everybody different. They eat different foods and, but you gotta diversify your friends. You can't limit yourself. Let's go see what else. There's one more. Oh, damn. That girl look good.